Imagine if Netflix, HBO, Harry Potter, and all the Discovery Channel shows were owned by one single company. That's the massive deal being talked about, Netflix wanting to acquire Warner Bros. Discovery. An acquisition is just a fancy word for one company buying another. But this isn't just any purchase. Let's break down why it's a big deal, and why experts are nervous. The potential upside, the good side. Netflix would get a huge library. Think Batman movies, Harry Potter, Game of Thrones, CNN, and nature documentaries. More shows could mean more subscribers worldwide, even in Africa. One giant company has more money to make new blockbuster movies and series. The major concerns, the red flags, antitrust regulations. This is the biggest word here. Antitrust means rules against creating a monopoly where one company gets so big it kills all competition and can control prices. Regulators, the government watchdogs, might block this deal to protect competition. This is a major risk. Massive debt. Warner Bros. Discovery already has a lot of debt, over $40 billion. If Netflix buys it, they take on that huge debt load. It's like marrying someone with massive student loans. It limits what you can do next. Integration risk. Merging two giant companies with different cultures is incredibly hard. Will they work well together, or will it be a messy clash that hurts quality? Deal uncertainty. This is just talk and rumors for now. It might not even happen. Regulator is key. The deal's fate lies with governments, not just the CEOs. Debt matters. A company with too much debt has less money for growth and is riskier. This is not financial advice. Never invest based on headlines alone. Do your own research or consult a professional. These mega deals show how the global business world is always changing. Comment below, would you still consider investing in Netflix? Type Netflix in the comment section below. Do us a favor, like, share, follow, and subscribe for more tips from the investment nerds.